Hi there, today in my Arduino video I'm going to be demonstrating how you can connect a relay to the Arduino and use that relay to control larger items than the Arduino itself is capable of handling. The Arduino itself is capable of switching on low current items. However, if you need to control something of a higher voltage, in this case we're going to be looking at this solenoid here, which as you can see requires 12 volts to operate. So what we need to do is we need to use the Arduino to switch a switch, and the switch in question is one of these. This is a relay. A relay in this case is a mechanical switch that's controlled by a small electrical circuit. By using the Arduino, which is capable of controlling low voltage and low current devices, we can actually send a signal to the relay here and use that relay to control something of a much greater current and voltage draw. And in this video what I'm going to do is demonstrate how to wire this correctly. I'm going to be working with the basic blink program, which blinks an LED on for a second and then off for a second. The solenoid will click open and closed based on the output of the LED. This will demonstrate that you can control a 12 volt circuit with a 5 volt Arduino. I will download the code to the Arduino now. The next step in this is to connect the relay. There are 3 wires on the relay module. The black wire is going to be the ground, and I'm going to connect the ground pin to the ground bus on the breadboard. The red wire is for positive 5 volts, and that is going to be connected to the positive 5 volt pin on the Arduino microcontroller. And lastly, if we take the output pin from 13 and connect that to the relay digital input pin, which is the green pin, the relay now starts cycling on and off with the LED. Now all we need to do is we need to wire the relay to supply 12 volts to this circuit. I'm going to use this 8 AA battery pack. AA batteries, of course, being 1.5 volts. 1.5 times 8 is 12. Please be careful if you are working with this kind of setup back at school, because these AA batteries can output enough current to cause the wires on your circuit to overheat. Short circuits can cause fires. The next step I'm going to do is set up a 12 volt bus, and I'm going to connect the ground to the ground bus of the Arduino. The reason for this is that the relay and the Arduino will need to share a common ground, even though the positive voltage will be on separate supplies. So in order to have this solenoid controlled by the actual Arduino, I need to connect to the relay here, and I'm going to connect this to the normally closed pin on the relay module. And lastly, we'll need to provide 12 volts to the common pin on the relay module. And now you can see that the solenoid is happily clicking in and out in time with the LED. Students should be aware that they could use this type of components to control many different aspects of their projects.